To create a detailed quote, first go to the Items tab and then click on Create Factory Quote. You will be taken to the Orders tab. Fill out the Sold To and Shipped To fields before you generate a quote. When you've finished, first click on Save, then click on the Excel Detail button. You will download an Excel file with your quote. If your job is large, your download may appear in the Reports tab. You can work on other tasks while your quote is generating, and it will automatically be saved to your hard drive when it's done. In the file itself, the information you entered on the order screen is at the top, and a detailed list of your selected items is below. If you made any changes to the default options of an item, those options will be highlighted yellow. The pink rows show you the totals for each product type that you have in your job.